I'm back, and I'm still alive. Thank you to everyone who's shown their concerns. Some were also dealing with Hurricane Irma as well. I hope you guys are doing good, and you guys didn't lose anyone in anything. It was very scary, and it was an annoying circumstance to be under. Honestly, hope that's the last hurricane we have to deal with, but it's hurricane season, so I don't really know if that's gonna be the case. But we can only hope for that it won't happen again. Or for a long time, but okay. Speaking of which, I didn't mention it in the last video, but we did eventually evacuate from our home, and it was stressful. My dad and my sister drove for 12 hours straight until we decided to just stay in hotels until the hurricane passed through us. Thankfully, our house was still standing, but a few things got damaged. But the way I see it, I'm happy to at least still have a house. Regarding my last video, I was not expecting the Sketchbook Slam Challenge video to do so well. I mean, I saw it was doing great for other artists, but considering the size of my channel, I am amazed I surpassed 300 views. Problem is, I've obviously fallen so behind, I don't think I can continue it under the tag anymore. I still want to finish it though. I was thinking of giving myself 100 days instead of 30 to give myself some wiggle room. Kind of like what I did last year. Thinking about starting it again in October. Like instead of September, because it's already September 19 right now. But again, I will not be using the tag because I feel shady about doing that, because I failed the challenge. It's not the Sketchbook Slam Challenge anymore if I do 100 days. Maybe next year I'll do it again. It depends on the circumstances. Now to the painting. I did not plan on doing traditional art today. I wanted to do digital landscape painting, but my tablet or laptop is giving me some troubles. I don't know. I packed it on the trip, or the evacuation really is what it was. I was afraid that I was gonna get water damage or something, so it was like my backup, and I think it could have been screwed up, who knows. Anyways, so because of those troubles, I decided to paint in watercolor. I've actually very recently painted this picture, actually, but in Adobe Illustrator for the palette challenge 2 months ago. I don't know why, but I really like this reference photo a lot by the photographer Stephen Banks. Here's his Twitter handle. I'm not gonna say the name because I can't pronounce things for the life of me. I changed the color palette of this photo, so it's not like 100% like the photo. I mean, of course there's a lot of perspective issues, so of course it's not gonna look like the photo, even if I didn't change the colors, but yeah, I need to fix those perspective issues and the next time I paint this picture again, because I know I'm going to. The paper I used for the painting is from the brand B Paper Company. It's 6 inches wide by 9 inches long, 140-pound cotton paper. As for the watercolors, I have no clue. They might be Sakurai koi watercolors. I squeezed their tubes into a palette a few months ago, and I didn't label my palette with the paints I used, and I have a couple of different paints and palettes. I'll try to be more organized next time. Honestly, I have nothing else to say. I really couldn't think of any other topics at the moment. Still a little phased, I guess, or hazy. I don't know if that's the word I'm looking for, but thank you to anyone who bothered to listen and who stuck around to watch the end result of this picture. It means a lot to me, seriously. Thank you for spending your time here. Hope you're having a good day. If not, I hope it gets better. Bye-bye.